Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Miss English. I am back with another topic. This topic is sine, light and chloro size is h power 2 and h12 and O8 plus and 6 h power 2 and plus 6 2 and hydroponic nutrition and wild hydroponic is division from look Greek and wild and other the tonophoric nutrition unlike an orthophoric and with mud and their want to food and heteropodic organism that obtain food and organism and heteropod depend on other an organism they are also called an organism and animals and non-green plants and fungi and come under these categories and customer fish and customer herbs and other plants and their and behaviors and other that involve one customers this in and that and plant another one to in constant animal call to solvent it complex and animal material and food and loud per treat and sympathetic and with help and biological crystal EI chart and ignite in until and then from there and on metabolism and depend upon the mode of living and the mode of living metabolic native and practice and sport horrific and horizontal and that biology at our one to eat keep and that's much and hydroponic is this nutrition another one to is the world and hydroponic is divided to Greek world and other diaponic nutrition unlike and orthopedics is that multiple their own food and therapeutic organism obtain that food and organism must subscribe my YouTube channel Miss English and that one nutrition and the hypothesize depend on other and organism for and they are also called to in that animal non-green and go to and also and call to corner animal and that one in the plant foggy and come and under these categories and customer which and consumes the herbs and other and plants and other and their behaviors and those and which consumes and animals and call to and convenience talking and complex organic materials and food and heteropoietic break and simple molecules with a help and biological crystal I dot E in that in time some of their and one on metabolism and depending upon the mode of living at that mode and unlike this hyperbolic may be an practice is that sportivic and honorises that and one to in keep and cooling and that one and much bowl is this gaming and that one is much bowling and they want to keep an harmony that world and from Greek world and one to going that are motoplasm it each one that are one of each Greek and this motoplasm and orbit food and organism at hotploid depend on other organism for there are also called concept and animal and non-Greek plants and fungi come and under these categories and customers which and consumes herb and there are plants behavior in those and which concerns animal and call to convenient taking complex obtain material and food hydrobodic at that complex material which is held to biological crystal I dot E and the until and then their on metabolism and depending upon their and leaving that another one to and going that mode to living and mode of into heteropoietic that and is one and paratactis and sporotic at that whole cycle and parasitic and nutrition parasite organism and parasitic live and inside other that organism called host and that obtain their food to and then and host and in benefit and someone to each other that and parasitic this mode another one to and keep and nutrition this is specific nutrition different and participate like and crotolia ask that and top forms and leaves it act and have different mode of another one to and keep depending on habits and habitat in modification that is one to and one to go another one to specific like curse like and the Lucy's acts have two different modes of another one and depending upon habitat and modification. Keep supporting, keep watching, must subscribe my YouTube channel, Miss English. Allah Hafiz.